Hello, all you VITA taxpayers. My name is Jim Simpson, and on behalf of the Central Arizona VITA Network, this video is going to teach you how to prepare a tax return using the software one of our VITA partners will provide you that will allow you to do your own taxes using the same professional grade software that we use at our VITA sites. This video will take you from the very beginning to starting the return, creating an account, all the way through various types of income and deductions that you may have, including self-employment income or retirement income, interest and dividends, capital gains, all of that. It'll be a fairly long video, and not all of you will want this, but you can easily fast forward to the sections that apply to you. But this is going to show you exactly how to use the software to prepare your own return. You will have been sent a link. As I said, the Central Arizona VITA Network is comprised of a bunch of partners, we call them, that host VITA sites. And one of these partners would have sent you an email that had a link. And it is very, very important you start from that link. If you do, this will be a completely free process. Before we go much further, let's go over some of the ground rules of using this program, just so that you don't go prepare the whole return and find out that, this wasn't right for you. First of all, a change this year that is different is there is an income limit for using this. It's your adjusted gross income has to be below $73,000. Often we've had taxpayers that will come into our VITA clinics that we have kind of an income limit of $58,000, and so we'll direct them to this do-it-yourself software. But this year there is a $73,000 limit. Another very important thing to know is IRS calls this program facilitated self-assistance. And what that means is, although we send you a link so that you can go out and do it yourself, we don't just leave you hanging out there. We're here to provide assistance, but you're supposed to do most of the work. We'll just help you where you get hung up. And each one of the partners would have given you a contact information of how to get help. This video is another way we're trying to provide help, to where you'll be able to use this as a reference guide. You can pull back in and fast forward to that place where you might be having troubles, but feel free to reach out to us if we can help you for that. Now that I say we can help you, there are certain things we cannot help you with. And sometimes you may have come into our site and you tell us, oh, I have a rental property, we've done this. And we say, oh, we're sorry, but that is what IRS calls out of scope. In other words, we're not trained to do those. And sometimes we've referred you to this program because using this software, you can do everything that a professional tax preparer can do in the software. And we will help you with most of it. However, we cannot help you with those things that IRS says we're not trained to do, such as rental properties, because they have depreciation and we can't do things with depreciation. Or maybe you've got a business and the business, your expenses exceed your income, that gives you a loss. We're not allowed to help you with that. Or here's one of the biggest situations that happen is you're married filing separate. And IRS does not allow you to help you with married filing separate returns. So if you call us up and ask for a question about that, we're not going to be able to help you with that stuff. But in general, we're going to help you get through this return. So going forward, you will see that there are 5 videos in total, including this first one, the introduction. Then there'll be 4 more videos that will split it up into first how to create the account and tax layer and get the return started. Then a variety of different types of income, how you input income into tax layer, things like W-2s and 1099-Rs and dividends and capital gains, things like that. Then we'll go over deductions and credits and show you how to input the different types of deductions, or especially the types of credits that you might be entitled. And then the last video, we'll talk about completing the Arizona return and finishing up the return and e-filing it. So you can feel free to skip around or come back and visit each one of those videos as you see fit. And be sure to call us if you have any questions. Bye-bye.